Hi guys, my name is Zoe and this is Slime Motion. Today is a different day from every other day. I'm going to make slime. So, I'm going to tell you my ingredients and then I'm going to start making the slime. I got some plastic bags to put the slime in. I got some glue. I got shaving cream. And I got some paint to use to color the slime. And I also got some baking soda and Elmer's Magic Liquid. So let's get to it. First, let's set that aside and I'm going to tell you the slimes that I made yesterday because you might want this slime. I have a clear slime, but we're not making that today. I got a purple fluffy slime. I got another slime which is fluffy and it has like oil all over the bag, but we're not making that slime either. And this one, my favorite, glitter slime. This one is clumpy and messy slime. So I'm gonna take some of my glue. Let's open it up. Take the spoon out and pour the glue in. I'm making like a large slime. I'm gonna put shaving cream. You can see it in the put that much shaving cream. I don't want too much or else it won't stretch. It'll just collapse. I'm gonna mix it up and mix it up and mix it up. Then I'm gonna add the color. I'm gonna add some color. What color should I use? And try guessing what color I'm gonna use. Comment down below. I'm gonna use a yellow. A yellow's gonna be pretty awesome. You know what? Instead of using a spoon, I'm just gonna pour some yellow in. Come on. Going really slow. So, just tap. It's almost coming out. See? Coming out. And there. I think that's enough for a light yellow. Now let's mix it up again. Ooh, it's already looking really pretty. Like a sunset yellow. And if you don't want this kind of yellow, like you want a greenish yellow, like I do right now, I'm gonna add a little bit of this nice pretty green. This time, this one doesn't really come out that well, so I'm just gonna dip it in here and put it in. I want a golden. I'm going to add a little orange now because it's not quite how I want it. There we go. Now close that up. Little overboard. That's a little fun. When you have mistakes and you like it like that, well then I guess you made a good mistake. There you go. All the color. Ooh. I love that peachy. I'm going to add a little purple. See if the purple comes out. A little slow like the yellow. And come on. There we go. Guess the purple's done. Be right back. I'm gonna get some glitter glue, but gold one. Be right back. See, I'm back. I just figured that I can use this gold glue, and then I'm gonna use this little bit of glow in the dark glue. I have it upside down because they're super hard to get out. So be right back. I'm gonna go back to my seat. I'm back. I think we should put that down. Ooh, that's gonna make gorgeous colors. Ooh. That's all coming out of here. Ooh. Let me get a close-up of this. I think y'all guys love this. Right here. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at that. It's awesome. It's dripping down. Ooh. I'm not quite good with the color yet. Let's add a little red. And if that's not okay, then we're gonna add blue. Because I want like a brown. Come on, red. This red won't come out. That's enough. The colors that I added in here, it makes it perfect, perfect, perfect. It almost looks like pancake mix. Ooh, now it's a pretty color. Let's add more shaving cream. Shake, shake, shake. I love shaving cream. That's enough. I don't want too much in my slime. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. That's the best color you're ever gonna see of this slime of me making. I love this color. So pretty pink, majestic. I'm gonna show you up very close. It's super pretty. Look at this. See, I don't think you guys can see it. It does look on the camera. It does look like it was before, but it's gorgeous. It's like the best pink you're ever gonna see. Look at this. Look at that. Gorgeous. And it also has the gold sparkles in here. It looks amazing. Let's add the baking soda now. And just got my fingers painted. Not too much and not too little. Like this much will be perfect for the slime. So just put that in. And then now comment down below if you love the color of the slime. Not the slime, the glue. It's gonna turn slime soon. Okay, now time to add Elmer's Magic Liquid. For the other slime, I'm gonna use this because for small slimes, you can use that. Not too much. Like a mix until it starts forming like a slime. Ooh, it's forming. Now let's mix it. It's forming. It's forming. Just keep mixing. Make sure you don't drop it on your carpet. It might stain and it will never come off. Trust me. And I'm in the edge because I want to get a close-up of the slime. Not anything else, so yep. But it's not quite turning into slime yet. Let's add a little more of Elmer's Magic Liquid right here. Read that. Right there. Yeah? No. You might need to add the whole bottle. The bottle barely has anything in it, so. Just keep mixing till it forms. It's forming. I bet you guys can see that. So I'm gonna add the rest of this, but I gotta go back to my C so I can put it on the desk and play with it. Yeah. It's not quite slime. Looks like oobleck, because every time I stretch it and I let go, it goes whoop with molten. Okay, I think that's enough. Then time to mix with our hands. It's a little sticky. So I'm not gonna mix with my other hand because I wanna have enough like my other hand. Ugh. Super sticky. Okay, so where am I gonna put this? Let's just if you're at home making this, I'm telling you, do not drop this on the floor. So like have a container or something underneath, or like a desk, so you do not, so your parents do not get mad at you. Please, please don't drop it on the carpet. So let's add some more baking soda. Got more paint on me. I'm just not gonna use this spoon. Not too much. Just a little. It's getting off my hands. That's awesome. I think we need a lot more baking soda than this. That was almost all of it. At least I still have some left for the other slime. And I'm telling you, if you add way too much of baking soda, it's not going to be good. Like some of my slimes won't even stretch. Whoop, it's super sticky. It comes off your hands, but not all of it. Whoop. Okay, so let's add the whole thing, the rest of it that's in here. There we go. Okay, so now I'm just going to use both my hands. Super stretchy. Until it just broke. Just mix all the baking soda in with the slime. And see, because some of the baking soda is way up there, so I just get it in my finger and mix. Now, let's try taking the slime out of the bowl. So we have a little more space to like play with it and stuff, like to make it all neat. This slime is turning out awesome. Shush everyone, I'm gonna do some poking noises. Ooh, not too good, but pop. All the slime that's on my hands is literally getting off already. Super good. Okay, I'm going to do a close-up and show you all the sparkles that are in this slime. It's going to be red. Look at, I'm going to show you the sparkles. Can you see them? The gold spots on here, those are sparkles. So yeah, I love this slime. Every slime that I make, they did not make bubbles, so this one made a bubble. Let's make another bubble. Let's see if we can make another bubble. Stretch, oh no, it's breaking. And boom. Ah, it broke, it didn't make it. Said, I hope we have another round, which our slimes are working. This one was not that good, but I'll keep it. It's so squishy and so cool. Now there are four more things you must do before you leave. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to have fun and get inspired with us. Leave any comments or questions down below. And don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Don't forget to follow us on IFT, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. This, we really need that. Oopsie, a little mistake. Okay, which slime? Uh-oh. Next slime. Oh! Click on the bell. Did I say that already? Ding! If I did, I said that ding. Okay, feel like. Okay guys, this is almost the end. I can't move the camera up, so I just gotta work down here. Well, not adios yet. Let's see if I can turn this thing off. I don't know. I don't know if this is a good idea.